Welcome to IO Connect. After Miami and Amsterdam, we are excited to bring IO Connect to India. IO Connect is all about connections, connecting with developers, connecting communities, connecting with Google.
It allows me to precisely control my mouse with my face. It's so precise, I can even write in cursive.
Project GameFace uses MediaPipe, which links together a number of different AI models to give you an output. And in this case, the output is a mesh of 468 points on your face and convert that into telemetry like mouse movement or clicks. It runs natively on devices and it only needs an input from a webcam, which to me is one of the most amazing things about it.
Controlling my computer with funny faces, it's pretty awesome.
Bard is powered by PaLM 2, our next-gen language model that's also trained to be competent at math and reasoning. The PaLM API is integrated into Colab and Firebase, and it's particularly easy to prototype on MakerSuite, which runs in your browser. The PaLM API and MakerSuite public previews were released in the US. Today, I'm excited to share that you will have access to these models in India. Language understanding is one of India's most interesting AI opportunities. But we have a very limited data for most of India's 1,500 plus local languages and dialects. To enable progress, in partnership with IISc, we launched Project Vani last year. Vani is collecting diverse speech data across every district in India. I'm happy to announce that the first milestone datasets have been open sourced by IISc. And you can download these, and we'll continue adding to this resource. AI is also helping transform urban planning and infrastructure. Using deep learning models to find buildings and satellite imagery, we have created the Open Buildings dataset. This includes a unique plus code for each building, supporting government and social efforts that benefit from digital addresses. I'm excited to announce that we're now open sourcing this dataset. Hopefully, that'll enable developers like you to build tools that power more efficient urban planning, distribution, and humanitarian crisis response efforts. AI can also be extremely helpful when it comes to healthcare. Handwritten medical prescriptions like these are very challenging to digitize. Impossible, really. Last year, we showed how AI can help. Soon, we will invite trusted testers to get a private preview of this tech via the Research API. Shortlisted developers will be able to experience, evaluate, and provide feedback. Wrapping up, I want to talk about the importance of building responsibly. As we get bolder in our ambitions to use AI, continuing to be responsible is equally important. I'll share two updates here. First, we will ensure that all of our AI-generated images have metadata and markup to give users context if they come across these images beyond our platforms. Second, we launched Project Bindi last year, where we developed scalable methods to perform more comprehensive stereotype evaluation in NLP. The aim is to mitigate and evaluate biases in NLP in the Indian context. Today, I'm happy to share that we have utilized these methods to build the Seagull database, a global stereotype benchmark, and this data set has been open sourced, with much more coming soon.
Today, excited to announce, you may have heard some whispers of this earlier, we're launching an accelerator program for the Open Network for Digital Commerce. So first off, we're open sourcing core and infrastructure APIs, basically an open source solution to jumpstart your path into the network. Second, retail search is being made available and Gen AI so that you can enhance those buyer-seller experiences on the network. Also, you can apply for a grant up to $25,000 US to jumpstart your consumption. And finally, you're going to get better serviceability because we're bringing you address descriptors on Google Maps.
Developed in partnership with Samsung, we're excited to announce the launch of the new watch face declarative XML format, meaning there'll be no executable code in your watch face APK. And second, we're releasing new APIs to bring rich animations to tiles, one of the fastest ways to get things done or to launch an app on Wear OS. The first developer preview of Wear OS 4 is already out and ready for you to try. With Play Billing Library 6.0, we're looking forward to letting users in India pay for their extended family and friends. Users can simply share a payment link with their loved ones who can then complete the purchase on their behalf. We look forward to rolling out this feature later this year. Further, to reach new consumers and new customers, we're also launching a new experiment on the Google Play console using generative AI that will create custom store listings for different types of users. Building responsibly and keeping user privacy at the forefront. We're transitioning to a passwordless world, using passkeys as a newer and safer form of authentication. Passkeys use familiar patterns like biometric checks to increase sign-in rates. You can use the Jetpack Credential Manager library to bring together passkeys and traditional sign-in methods to your app.